Hi, I'm Greg Brown.
I'm David Ivy, and this is Dynamic Discussions.
This is another installment in a weekly video series we're bringing you about safety products and how to use them. We have Bethany Hessen with our marketing department. She has this week's question.
The question this week is, how do you use a window washing anchor compared to a regular standard roof anchor?
Well, window washing is a whole separate thing than really most fall arrest. And so the window washing has an international association that spells out exactly how to use these things, and it's the IWCA. There's also an ANSI standard, it's A39.1-1969, and OSHA has some language in it in 1910.28. So window washing is different because you're in suspension the entire time and you're using a chair or some sort of apparatus and a rope. And I see them a lot, when you go to bigger cities, especially like Vegas, where they're using these window washing anchors to put your new billboards up or your wall advertisements and things like that. And so with the specifics, David, I think you can go into a lot more detail.
Yeah, so a lot of times you're talking about a 12 or 18 inch roof anchor. You've seen them on typically most of your roofs, commercial size roof, flat roofs. With those, visually when you look at them, you're not going to be able to tell the difference between that and a standard roof anchor. However, with that being said, when you're using it in window washing, the building owner is required to have documentation proving that it's been tested, designed, certified to be able to withstand that 5,000 pounds of force in any direction. They're also required to be inspected annually and then an additional 10-year certification just to make sure that these anchors are strong enough to be used with those people going out and being suspended doing rope descent to clean the windows on your buildings.
Yeah, and there are other anchored solutions that people use for window washing and things like that, maybe some sort of a davit situation. But the important thing is that you don't use them in the same way, so the testing is a little bit different. So if you're going to be washing windows and if your building is going to have windows washed on it, don't just assume that you can go pick up your 12-inch or 18-inch galvanized anchor, bolt it to the top. There's a lot more involved with it, and everything goes back to the building owner.